Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here from SmartDawn. It is a LED fairy string lights, and these ones here have a little button on it and stuff. And let me go ahead and open this up, and I'll show you guys what this particular light string does. This one here is a cool one. I did plug it in for a second, so I kind of have a general idea. Let me open this up here. So these ones here are kind of the Firecracker style, I think they call it, where it kind of has the little strings that kind of come off it. So here we go. So it's pretty long. It's probably, I don't know, 10 feet or so. Okay, so this is the string of them. Let me just wrap it around here. And it has a button on there. So as I push this button, it does different things here, like this one here. So let's see. Okay, so here it's kind of on and it kind of flashes. So the ones sticking out, the little firecracker pieces, those ones seem like they stay on. And the ones in the middle are the ones that are doing it. So like now it's flashing. Here it's kind of glowing alternatively. Oh, there it's just off. Or it's, oh, it fades. And then here it's kind of like just moving faster, I guess. Oh, and there everything's off. So kind of cool that it has those. I kind of like this way here. It's kind of very festive. So I'm going to put this one here. This will end up on my fireplace, so it'll just kind of have a cool looking look on the fireplace. So very cool. I like these lights. They are nice. They are good. Very festive. Thumbs up. Very cool.